Hi guys, today I'll be making a very healthy cake recipe without maida and sugar. So please keep on watching. Also, subscribe to my channel for more of such recipes. So first I've taken 1 cup of dates or khajur. I've taken out its seeds, and to this I'll add half a cup of hot milk. We will cover it and keep it aside for an hour. After an hour, we will open the lid and check if the color of the milk has turned slightly brown. This means the dates have soaked very well. We will transfer it to a blender and make a fine paste of it. Now we need a big bowl and transfer the paste into the bowl. We'll add 1/3 cup of curd to it and 1/4 cup of ghee or refined oil. I have taken ghee for this recipe. Now we have to mix all the wet ingredients nicely. I have taken a whisker to mix all the ingredients. Now we will take a strainer. To this we will add 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda or meetha soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we will sieve the dry ingredients into the mixing bowl. This step helps in incorporating air in our cake. Now we will fold in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Now we will add 1/4 cup of milk to make it a batter. Now we will fold in all the ingredients together using the cut and fold technique. You can add more milk if you require. So our batter is almost ready. And finally, we'll add some chopped almonds, some chopped walnuts, and some raisins or kishmish. Now we will fold everything properly and our batter is ready. I have used a bread loaf tin of 6 inches, properly greased with ghee. Now we will pour our batter into the tin. Spread the batter evenly in the tin. Add some chopped almonds and walnuts over our batter. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. We will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes in the lower rod. And our delicious cake is ready. We will transfer our cake in a cooling rack and let it stay on it till it comes at room temperature. The bubbles in the cake symbolizes that it is airy and fluffy from inside. We transfer our cake in the cooling rack so that all the heat escapes from the bottom without leaving water behind. And our cake is ready to be served. It is very soft and fluffy, as you can see. This cake is a good option for sugar patients as it has dates or khajur. Also, this is a very healthy cake as it contains whole wheat flour and nuts. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.